waterfalls and fountains, tabletop water features. Feng Shui your home, room, or office. Indoor tabletop golden Buddha, lotus flower and elephant water features help create balance and harmony. Place your indoor water feature in the north corner, as it represents water elements. Click on the link below to see our full range of water features. Crystal Shop Cyprus is a crystal and gift shop. Our shop is in Paphos, Cyprus, and we also have an online shop. You can find us on the internet. Just type in www.crystalshopcyprus.com. We offer shipping throughout Cyprus through Paphos Express Courier for only €2.50. We ship to Limassol, Larnaca, Nicosia, Paphos, Polis and Ayia. Free shipping within Cyprus through Paphos Express Courier for orders over €50. Home delivery is available to all towns in Cyprus, only within the city centres of Limassol, Larnaca, Nicosia, Paphos and Ayia. Find us on Google Maps. Type in Crystal Shop Cyprus and follow the arrow. You can buy all these products and more at our online shop, or at our crystal and gift shop in Paphos, Cyprus. We are located on the Tombs of the King's Road in Paphos, 200 meters from the King's Avenue Mall, between Sunfresh Bakery and Thomas's Jungle Pub. For more information, contact us, mobile 99447312. Also WhatsApp and Viber. Email crystalshopcyprus@gmail.com. Visit our website www.crystalshopcyprus.com. This is our shop in Paphos, on the Tombs of the King's Road. We look forward to hearing from you.